if you think we Japanese use katakana to write down foreign words only, watch this video. こんにちは、あすか先生です。Hi, I'm Asuka Sensei, your Japanese teacher. Today I'm talking about how to use katakana. Yes, many people knows we Japanese use katakana to write down foreign words. It's true, but that's not only one usage of katakana. Actually, we have several ways to use katakana, and then today I'd like to show you one of them. Okay, so let's take an example. This one, dog. Do you like dogs? I hope you do. Well, anyway, so this English word dog, we can use katakana as dog. Yes, dog. But we don't use this katakana word so often. We use this one for like dog food. Okay, dog food. This is dog food. Yeah, but mainly we use this word as inu. This is Japanese word, means dog. Inu. Okay, and then we have kanji for this word inu. If you learn kanji, this is the word inu. Yes, this is the kanji character for dog, inu. But we also use katakana to write down this word like inu. Okay, the pronunciation is the same, inu, but this is written in katakana. Why and then when we use this word? Well, we use katakana to write down scientific names like the name of the species or name of the plants. Yes, so when we treat the word dog, the animal dog, as dog, yes, we normally use Japanese hiragana word inu, and then mainly we use kanji inu. Yes, but when we mention this word dog as a species, one of the species, inu, this katakana word is used. Yes, so the word inu is Japanese, not the foreign words. Yes, this is not French or English or Chinese word. The word inu is the original Japanese words, but still we use katakana to write down this word inu when we mention this word for the scientific name of the kennel species. Yes, dog species. Alright, so this is one of the katakana words to use. Okay, hope it helps. If you want to learn katakana more, I recommend you to grab my book, Complete Japanese Katakana. Yes, and then I show you how do we use katakana in this page. I write in total 6 ways to use katakana in Japanese language. So if you want to learn katakana more, I recommend you to purchase this book. You can buy this book through your local Amazon shop. So just go to Amazon and then check Complete Japanese Katakana by Asuka Sensei. Okay, see you next time. さよなら、またね。